Hi, I'm Dick Clukey, president of Accugrind Cutter Services Incorporated. We were founded in 1983 and been in business ever since, continuously operating. We started out in Watertown, moved to Waterbury, and 18 years ago moved to our present location here in Terryville, Connecticut. JC Marketing is a company that we decided to use for our marketing efforts, our web design, and for our brochure promotions. They've done a fantastic job with us. We've got a good relationship. We've been using them for the last 5 years. They're very astute to detail. They take their time with everything that we want. They're mission oriented, and they've done a fantastic job for us. Our 5-year relationship has produced about 100% increase in sales overall. We've also gone into markets that we weren't in before that JC Marketing helped us develop. Their brochure work was second to none. I don't think we could have found a better company, especially to work within our budget and on the time basis that we had. They work well with all of our employees. I think they take the care and time that it takes to give us the absolute results that we were looking for. Joe has been just a wonderful partner in all of our marketing efforts, and I would highly recommend him to anyone. JC Marketing is the company that you're looking for if you want to grow your business.